So this cluster gear is a nightmare for a lot of different people. So the cluster gear in a standard manual deburring machine like we call them manual deburring machines. We call this a max machine. The max machine is kind of a servo controlled machine, as you've just seen. The manual machine, all those servos are replaced with manual access, just like a Bridgeport, right? So in our manual machine, or all of our competitors' manual machines, I have to go and I make a setup for this top part, run the whole batch. Then I run another setup, which would be op 2 in the machining world, to run this middle spline right here. Then I have to make yet another operation after I run that whole batch again and run the gear. So now I've got 3, maybe 4 ops. I got to do a spline, I got to do the top side of the spline, face of the spline, top side of the gear, bottom. This could be 6 different operations right here, and if you got 50 parts, that's a nightmare. What if I want to do it all in one? Watch this. So now I'm just going to switch my recipe. You saw how fast I can load that part. So we're going to switch the recipe to the spline recipe right here. And I'm going to throw it into cycle start. We're going to go ahead and run this guy. So now you can see we're at the spline going sideways. So we're still coming over top, but now we're rotating down through. Part's got some stuff that was just turned on the lathe, and the features don't really have a radius on them, so we're just going ahead and deburring normal stuff that comes straight off of the lathe. So this machine's way more flexible than just a gear deburring machine. It can do just straight blanks off a lathe, things out of a mill. We actually can rotate the rotary table to specific degrees, so we can rotate it 90 degrees, 60 degrees, whatever. So we can do blind bores in a valve body, we can do internal work, all kinds of stuff. Really what it comes down to is how good is your imagination? How well can you picture what you want to do by hand in a machine, and then can you get the machine to do it? So that's what I got to show you today. This is the M4W Max system. Please give us a call.